We don't have the beetroot because it's not cooked yet. So we have beetroot, rice, butter, cream. That's it. Yeah? Not much going around here. The only thing we're missing here is wine. We're going to use white wine for the paella because we're going heavily on seafood. White wine and seafood are very good friends. So that's what we're going to do. If we were going with a bit heavier, yeah, no water, yeah? Burn capsicum, my friend.
Burn capsicum.
Yeah, strips, please. So what we're gonna do, tonight, cut this guy out. So try to get as much stuff out, and then you're gonna scratch whatever's left, yeah? Very gentle. So, paella, Spanish Arab, so capsicums, paprikas, saffrons, tomatoes, rice. Risotto, Italian, cream, butter, French, yeah? Wine, butter, milk, cream.
Which the capsicum one?
This way. Yeah? Again, like this, just either forward or backwards. Yeah? So, don't do that. With this guy, same thing. So you cut your breast. You can see the line of the chicken here. I don't know if you guys can see the line. So we're going to cut it against the line, right? So, chicken strips. Yeah? So you have on your strips. What we're going to do with the tenderloin, we're going to cut through the muscle. So there's like this little vein in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. That little white thing there, it's like a big muscle going through the tenderloin. What you're going to do, clean it. And then grab this guy, straight. One more time. You got one side, and then this guy, take it out. You just pull it. Yeah. If we serve it like this, skin off. Yeah. Sorry. Remember to take this little guy out. Yeah. Of what? Of rice? Yeah. All right. So.
That's the proper
option number one.
That's the proper clean of the shrimp.
Option number two.
Just remove the.
Who's chewing cardamom?
Me, chef.
Yeah. And then just take it out. So, I like it this way better, just because it looks a bit more pretty, and we need the heads. So let's peel it, devein it, and leave the head and the last part of the tail. Right?
Okay.
Thank you. Let's grab a bowl.
I think that's not enough.
And frozen.
Pwede din ako barbecue na lang.
Are you preparing straw?
Start in the middle. Remember, whenever it gets hot, your oil is going to become more fluid, right? So as oil gains temperature, you're going to gain mobility. So, Spanish onion, we're going to go 2 or 3 to 1. So 2 times the Spanish to 1 part the brown, right? Spanish onion comes from Spain. Paella is from Spain, so you're going to use it a little bit. All right? Did you hear that? That means the pot's ready to go, right? So, I don't know if you guys just know the onion just flowing around. All right, and try to focus your first cooking here. Don't spread it all over, yeah? Yeah, that's more like 3 to 1, I think. Okay. Remember, Oil's gonna, onion, it's gonna go. So always start with onion and then work yourself around, yeah? So the first ring should be around there, if I'm not wrong. Always grab a handle whenever you're working with this. If you move this and it falls apart, there's going to be 20 of us that are going to be very angry. Yeah? Whenever you're touching this, please grab the label. So, another thing, woks and these guys, they have to have oil whenever we clean them so they don't go rusty. Yeah, that's why it's a bit oily right now. So, again, grab it before you move it. Please try to touch and play with this as much as you guys want. Just still well. See here, you're starting to burn some, so put your stuff around there, like all the chicken. Trust it that side. Yeah. Just put that back first. Yeah. It's already dead. Don't stress. So see over there. Did you guys hear that? That's where it's hot right now. So over here we don't have much temperature. So it's over there. All right. Once the chicken's sealed, we're gonna deglaze. So what is deglazing? By adding a liquid, lifting whatever stuff from the bottom. Okay. So it's gonna get very smoky very quickly, very steamy. Sorry. But we still have more things to go. Can you guys smell it?
Yeah, good smell.
Yeah, we're a bit further out. Get that going. How do we know when chicken started to seal? It'll get white, yeah? So you guys see we're getting red. Seal the chicken, then we're gonna add capsicums, tomatoes, let that cook a little bit, and add our rice. So with our rice, very important, don't just throw it all over the place. How do we do special paella rice? We're gonna grab it and we're gonna put it there.
We'll get time to order. Yeah? You wanna try?
I focus only your face. Hey, enough, just give it to the others.
That's good.
All right.
It's different.
A lot of saffron next to it, so that's why it's very clear. So it's going to spread a bit more, yeah? See, that one has a piece of saffron stuff in there as well. You can smell the trees and everything. This is your money, so here we go. Yay!
Another good coming this week.
Alright, let's spread it all out. Just kind of spread it all evenly. And we're going to throw some red here, so what's the whole purpose of this little guy? I'm going to go very light on the wine. Just you guys don't take too much. For this, I like to use at least as we go. Yeah? Wine made out of grapes, grapes are made out of sugar. Okay, so it's going to give it a bit of sweetness. So, can you guys smell it? Yeah? Saffron, right? Well, you see the colors coming around. The main predominant smell right now is chorizo, yeah? So what we're going to do is just try to quickly replace it. Try to evaporate that wine. You should smell wine now. Remember, hot stuff.
To me, and then we'll send it to you.
Yeah.
Buang mo, wala nagapil-apil. Buang mo, tamad kayo. Tamad. Buang, tamad.
Alright?
Way na ibalan. Way na ibalan.
In theory, this is how we're going to go for the next 30 minutes. You're going to see the water evaporate, you're going to add the water. Leave this as is, okay? The whole point, the bottom thing is going to cook faster, it's going to keep opening, and this is going to spread by itself, okay? We'll lower the heat. As you can see, the outside layer is evaporating quicker. That's what we want. We want to keep the low, very low in the middle. Smart, yeah?
Sige niyo, di kayo kayo mo ito. Should say buhatan, dugay.
All over the place.
Kasi buhatan.
And so guys, green lip for the class. We have these guys, and here's gonna be 4, and we have green lip parts in the back. Okay. We'll start to stick in there wherever we want. What's gonna happen when they're cooked? They're gonna open, yeah. Sorry. Just move it all around. What else am I missing in here? Yeah, we'll put that just on the top. Let's try these out. We'll keep the middle one off because it's potato. Okay, so let's figure out this one. Good. Yeah. So with the leftover, we're going to create steam for these guys to finish cooking, and then we'll put the prawns on the top, and they'll just finish cooking there as well. Okay. Remember, prawns are a bit frail, so if we put them right now and we're going to start mixing, they're going to break. And that's something we don't want. So bury the mussels with the rice if you guys want. Okay. And that will make it. See, they're starting to open already, which is fun. Mix, mix, mix. So the train is looking fine. Calamari. Yeah.
In this one.
Oh, no. That's what I mean. If you want to do a vegetarian, beetroot, pumpkin, artichokes, anything. So what we want to do, guys, when we finish, grab these guys and we'll put them on top. Yeah. That's the traditional way of doing it. Yeah, it's like a plate that everybody gathers around and eats it. Yeah. Okay. Parsley flakes if you want. But that's it. We'll just wait for our prawns to be ready to roll, and then serve yourself. Can you guys save me two serves, please? I gotta brag to the other guy. Yeah, any questions with today's class? No? All good? Yeah? The prawns will be cooked? Well, we have to wait a bit more. But that's why we took the skin out. They're starting to get there. We'll get it with the skin. I like to leave them like that. I'll charge 20 to you guys.
Just $10
Yeah.
for a plate.
Maybe we can
We can sell to them, yeah?
Yeah. As a trading.
for your life.
Okay. And then I'll grab the lemons. If we need a bit more juice, we can add, stock. But that's how it goes, yeah? If you want to add, I don't know what else you guys could add right now, because everything's there. Fish, I don't like to put it in paella because it breaks too much. It doesn't hold it. If you want to use chicken wings, you can use it as well. The bones are going to get a bit more of a flavor. But you're going to have to...
If you are using rabbit, so how would you put that?
You seal it as we seal the chicken. Yeah, but you use the cutlets, the parts where they jump. Because that's going to have more fat on it. So we need to flavor there. For those who didn't see, that's the risotto already. That's plated up.
पकाउनै पर्यो नि अहिले पाक्ला नि गाडिदिन्छ छोप्यो भने चाहिँ in this one.
Oh, no. That's what I mean. If you want to do a vegetarian, beetroot, pumpkin, artichokes, anything. So what we want to do, guys, when we finish, grab these guys and we'll put them on top. Yeah, that's the traditional way of doing it. Yeah, it's like a plate that everybody gathers around and eats. Yeah. Okay. Parsley flakes if you want. But that's it. We'll just wait for our prawns to be ready to roll, and then serve yourself. Can you guys save me two serves, please? I gotta brag to the other guys. Yeah, any questions with today's class? No? All good? Yeah? The prawns will be cooked? Well, we have to wait a bit more. But that's why we took the skin out. They're starting to get there. We'll get it with the skin. I like to leave them like that. I think 3 for the teachers across the road.
Yeah. I'm ready for your chef. Yeah,